Everyone dreams of having a money tree that keeps on giving. I'm going to show you how to plant one. Through my journey of building multiple businesses and making hundreds of thousands of dollars, I've developed a proven system. It's not magic, it's a method. I'll share my step-by-step approach using my real-world YouTube channel and other businesses as examples. This YouTube channel focuses on helping others get financial freedom and location freedom. Because I got there myself, I love this topic. For me, financial freedom was life-changing. I escaped the 9-to-5 grind back in 1990. I travel when I want and work on my terms, like from here in Spain. I noticed lots of people desperately wanting this same freedom, whether to travel the world or just spend some time doing what they want to do. The best businesses combine three things: your skills, your passions, and what the market needs. I asked myself, what am I good at? Building businesses and creating independence. What do I enjoy? Teaching others and sharing what works. And what do people need? A clear path to escape that traditional 9-to-5 work trap. These answers outline my YouTube channel. So ask yourself the same questions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? And what can you do that people need? Maybe you're fantastic at graphic design, at coding, or home organization. Your money tree starts with the right seed. Make sure you're starting something that you really are passionate about before going any further. You'll be spending a lot of time on it. Plant the right seed. Find your perfect business idea. A business without a plan is just a hobby. My plan for this YouTube channel was clear. Start with the YouTube videos to build an audience. Expand into other social media channels. Grow an email list from my viewers. And make money through courses, affiliate programs, or my own products. I'll use AI as my assistant to make processes easier and cut down the work. I'm not doing everything at once. I've focused on YouTube content first. I have a system for that now, so I've started looking at my social media strategy. It's crucial that you take it step by step. Your plan should identify your first focus area. For most businesses, marketing deserves priority. You can have the best product ever, but it's worthless if no one knows about it. Here are some options for starting. Option 1, create content that attracts your target audience. This could be through videos or posts on your favorite social media channel. Once you've got an audience, you can find out what products would help them. This is the way I've decided to go. The YouTuber Miles Beckler has a good system, ATM. Get the audience, build trust, and then monetize. Option 2, build a minimum viable product and test it with paid ads. A minimum viable product means a basic product that will help people, but without all those fancy bells and whistles. In my case, I could have made some AI products to get people started on a business, but I decided to go the audience first approach instead. If you have a product in mind already, you could build a simple version of it and test it with paid ads. You don't actually even need to make the product. You could just have people going to a web page that says it's not available in their country and get them to register to be notified when it is. That way you can test if the product's in demand before spending time and money building it. Option number 3 is piggyback off other websites. This is what I did with stock images and stock videos. There were already websites selling images and videos, so I uploaded mine, and I'm still getting commission years later. The stock image industry is changing right now because of AI, but think of ways to complement other people's products. For example, you can make plugins or extensions to improve popular software. I used to build websites and get traffic through search engine optimization, but I wouldn't recommend this way now. People are moving away from Google search to using AI, and even Google started giving AI results, so there's less chance of getting people to your website. People are using social media a lot more, so I believe this is the way to get free viewers. Pick one approach and master it before expanding. Test, fail, learn and repeat. I've had 5 successful businesses, but failed at some as well. Even the successful ones took a lot of experimenting until they were working well. With these YouTube videos, I learned the basics, but I keep watching how others are doing it and learn from the successful channels. I make improvements and see if they work. Building a YouTube channel is a long game, as is any business. But I learn, try new things, and keep what works. Your business will speak to you through data. Watch the numbers. When something works, do more of it. And when something fails, learn why. Enjoy the process so that you can keep going. It's much easier to keep going when it's a topic you're really interested in. In the past, as my businesses grew, I couldn't keep doing everything manually. I needed systems. With my export business in the Philippines, I started using Excel to keep track of workers, payroll, production, exports and finance. But it got too complicated. So I learned how to make databases and made everything systematic. I could then pass it all over to a secretary or supervisors. To organize this YouTube channel, I have a system as well. I use AI to give me ideas for content, thumbnails, descriptions, and convert the scripts into YouTube shorts. I use an Airtable database to organize everything, and make.com to automate it. 6 months ago, I hadn't even heard of make.com or Airtable, so it's just a matter of learning from others. It all becomes easier once you've built a system. You can automate some parts and outsource other parts. I've done that for other businesses, and I'm doing it with this YouTube channel. Right now, I'm getting ahead by making the YouTube videos in advance, and I've started building the social media system. Systems free your time and the space in your brain. They turn chaos into simplicity. So find repetitive tasks in your business. Think about the process, make it simpler, automate what you can, and eventually delegate what you can't. Expand and improve continuously. Back when I started selling stock photos, I'd look at which ones were popular and start doing more of those. I started by doing people photography, but I expanded into tabletop photography and graphic design images. I studied outsourcing keywording, image editing, and graphic design to give me more time to focus on the business and improvements. Things change. Trends, platforms, customer needs. You have to adapt and improve or fall behind. Your money tree won't grow overnight. My stock image portfolio didn't make money right away. My export business and online businesses didn't either. The first 6 months to a year would just work. That's normal for any business. But my strategy works. I built 5 successful businesses this way. And it's how I'm working on this YouTube channel as well. It takes time. You need to nurture it, adjust what doesn't work and double down on what does. Start with a clear niche, plan your business, learn consistently, build your systems and keep refining. Stick with it and you'll build something that lasts. If you're ready to plant your own money tree and escape that 9-to-5 grind like I did, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share weekly strategies on building passive income streams, location independence, and financial freedom. That money tree needs you to nurture it, but your 9-to-5 is stealing all your time. In this next video, I'll show you my gradual escape plan that reduces risk while giving you maximum freedom. These steps have kept me free to roam the world since 1990. They're crucial as AI begins to replace even professional workers.